The human brain is an intricate organ, influencing everything from our thoughts and emotions to our behaviors and decisions. However, in individuals with psychopathy, there are distinct differences in the brain's structure and function that contribute to their unique personality traits. These traits often include a lack of empathy, remorse, and increased impulsivity, attributes that set them apart from the general population. At the center of these differences lies the amygdala, a small almond-shaped region deep within the brain's temporal lobe. The amygdala's primary role is processing emotions, especially fear, and recognizing and responding to others' emotions. In psychopathic individuals, studies have shown that the amygdala tends to be smaller and exhibits less activity. This underactivity may explain why psychopaths often appear cold, unfeeling, and indifferent to others' suffering. Their diminished fear and anxiety response make them less attuned to punishment or consequences. Another crucial brain region affected in psychopathy is the prefrontal cortex, particularly the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, VMPFC. The prefrontal cortex manages higher-level functions such as planning, decision-making, and emotion regulation. It assists in risk assessment, moral judgments, and controlling impulsive behaviors. In psychopaths, the VMPFC shows reduced activity or structural differences, leading to poor decision-making and lack of inhibition. This impairment can result in risky or harmful behaviors without consideration of their consequences. The impaired connectivity between the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex is a hallmark of psychopathy. In a healthy brain, these two regions communicate effectively, enabling individuals to regulate their emotions and make socially appropriate decisions. In psychopathic brains, however, this connection is weakened. This disconnection may explain their lack of guilt or empathy, even when they understand intellectually that their actions are wrong. Psychopaths also exhibit abnormalities in the anterior cingulate cortex, ACC, a brain region involved in processing emotions and decision-making. The ACC is essential for error detection and evaluating the potential consequences of one's actions. Reduced activity in this area may explain why psychopaths often fail to learn from their mistakes or do not experience typical emotional discomfort when harming others. Additionally, research reveals that psychopaths might have differences in the brain's reward system, particularly involving the nucleus accumbens, which is critical in motivation and reward pursuit. Psychopaths often seek out thrills, power, or material rewards, showing little concern for how their actions impact others. This drive for rewards, unmitigated by the typical emotional and moral checks, underscores the complexity of the psychopathic brain.